Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue.js. Today we are going to learn about the Lifecycle hook tutorial. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Lifecycle hooks allows you to perform actions at the specific stages of a component's life, such as before it's created, mounted, updated or destroyed. Here's a breakdown of the lifecycle hooks available in the Vue JS3. Before create, this hook is called synchronously, immediately after the instance has been initialized, before the data observation and the event watcher setup. Created, called synchronously after the instance is created. The instance has been initialized and the data has been observed and the events and the watchers are set up. Next we have a mounting. Before mount, called right before the mounting begins. The render function is about to call for the first time. Mounted, called after the component has been mounted to the DOM. The template has been rendered and the component is now visible in the DOM. Updating, before update, called when the data changes, just before the DOM updates. Updated, called after the data changes, causes the DOM to re-render and update. Destruction, before unmount, called right before a component is unmounted. This is the last chance to perform cleanup or tear down the logic. Unmounted, called after a component is unmounted and destroyed. This is where you can perform cleanup tasks such as clearing timers, event listeners. Error handling, error captured, called when an error from any child component is captured. Okay, then we have a composition API lifecycle hooks. You can also take a look of that one. Vue 3 composition API introduces additional lifecycles hooks: on before mount, on mounted, on before update, on updated, on before mount, on mounted, equivalent to the respective lifecycle hooks but used within the composition API setup function. Okay, so this is that about the lifecycle hooks. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. If you want the example of each and everything, you can also let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.